What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Glad y'all could tune in. So today's moving day, guys. I'm gonna be moving to San Antonio, so I'm gonna kind of film us picking up the truck, loading it up, just the kind of a few things along the drive, and then getting to the place. Just kind of make a video for y'all so y'all kind of know, just the process of what's going on there. But real excited that this is happening. I've been planning it for a while, and it's just time to move on to the next part of life, next chapter. So good things coming our way. Be sure to be watching that and stay tuned in with the channel for that. But let's go ahead and go get the U-Haul. There's the truck. We went ahead and got overkill just in case, because I'm hauling some of my brother's stuff too. There's a shot of the truck. Big house. All right, guys, we're about to go fill up and then load up and then head over to San Antonio. So let's go. All right, guys, so we got everything loaded up. There's the U-Haul. We're gonna head out here and make our way downtown there. So let's go ahead, let's head over there. All right, guys, so we're here at Buc-ee's. We're just gonna use the restroom, get a snack or gas or whatever, and then we'll get back on the road. But there's the truck right there. My parents are driving it. I'm driving the Vet. Sister's helping me out with my other car, the Mazda, and then my other sister's helping me out with their car so that way they can get back home. But there's the car right there. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. Go follow. More class. Stopping at the Buc-ee's. I'm definitely gonna get me a drink. All right, guys, so we're pretty much done with Buc-ee's right now. Everyone's coming back. We're gonna load back up and then head over to San Antonio, and hopefully we'll make it. But it's kind of drizzling right now, and it's really bright. I don't have my sunglasses on, so that's why I'm kind of squinting a lot right now. But we're gonna go ahead and get that done there, and then we'll be on the way. So let's go ahead. Alright, guys, so I know it cut to me all of a sudden, but I just wanted to say I apologize and I'm sorry. I didn't get to film a bunch of the moving in part where the movers moved in all my stuff into the apartment. It was just really chaotic, and we were just trying to get everything in, and we were super tired, and so sorry about that. But I will show a video tour of the apartment and everything that's in the apartment as far as now in the garage and all that stuff. But I do again want to apologize for not filming the actual move-in process. I know I did a bunch of stuff before and up to the point, but it was just crazy, like I said, whenever we finally got here and the movers were ready to go, and so they started bringing in everything, and then we were trying to get all the stuff out of the cars into the apartment. So we were pretty much just non-stop going, and then I've been unpacking and everything. So just wanted to make that video there. I do want to thank everyone for watching me and following the video. Go follow my social medias. But I will be coming up with another video just kind of showing the apartment. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. Y'all stay awesome. See you in the next video. All right.